welcome to Del Campo's Olive Orchards. Come on in. Nancy is with Ken Campbell, olive grower and owner of Del Campo Orchards, and also Nancy's brother. They make Del Campo's extra virgin olive oil. Let's head over to the tasting area. Today, Chef Karen is making her king crab feast. She starts with lots of king crab. French bread in the oven. While that's baking, she starts slicing vine-ripe tomatoes and mozzarella cheese. The bread's done. She cuts it into half-inch slices, spreads pesto on it, then adds the tomatoes and the mozzarella. She added them to a plate of cheese and spinach raviolis. This is appetizer number 1. Next, my favorite. Brie melted on French rolls, topped with pepper jelly. It was fantastic. Chef Karen cuts avocados in half, slices, and adds to a bed of baby greens. She cuts the rest of the tomatoes. They also go on the salad. And the mozzarella cheese. Now that's a salad. Of course, she dresses it with Del Campo's extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper. She then slices lemons. Butter always makes things better. She clarified the butter, and it's ready for dipping. She fills the pot with king crab. While it's heating up, she slices more French bread. The crab's ready. Wow, it just kept coming out of the pot. Now that's a platter of crab. The feast is on. We just kept eating and eating. Salad, French bread, and lots of crab. That was a feast. We would like to thank Chef Karen for making her king crab feast. It was fantastic. Nancy and I are still full. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.